Hi guys, in this video I am going to go over the exact strategy I used to start a dropshipping business. When I was working a minimum wage job with under $150, I will break down the entire strategy step by step and reveal a winning product plus how to market it with under $150. Stick with around because I think this will be one of my most helpful and useful videos. My experiences. Yo, what good guys? It's your boy. This week we are tackling a very frequently requested topic: how much money you need to start dropshipping and what the least amount of money you can have to get started. Uh, I can relate because I was in the same exact position. A few years ago, I was working a minimum wage job department store job, so my budget for starting a dropshipping business was very minimum, but I used a strategy I am about to share to start a store, get sale right away, and even break even. Let's dive in. Cost breakdown. The first expense people often worry about is the monthly subscription fee for Shopify, which is $29, but you will not be charged at $29 until your 2 week free trial is over. So you have 2 weeks to get your store up and running before you have to pay. If things do not work out, you can cancel the trial without being charged. Your next potential expense will be paid Shopify app. However, many paid apps have free alternatives or they offer free trial. You can build your Shopify store and install app without getting charged if you cancel any subscription in time. With the 14-day trial, you will have enough time to test your store ad product. The only non-refundable expense you will have is the domain, which typically costs around $14. If you go through Shopify, you might find it cheaper through other services. But for convenience, I recommended getting it directly from Shopify. Type of product. With a small budget, you should aim to find a winning product on your first try or at least minimize your testing costs instead of searching for a brand new product. Look for something that already a wholesale. Here how I found winning product. First decide on a niche. For example, if you are interested in fitness, search for fitness related Instagram theme page. Look for ad on this page. If you see a product being advertising rapidly across multiple pages, it's likely a winning project. Finding the right product can take time, so be through. Once you have a product, start your Shopify trial, build your website and install app. During the trial period, this way you maximize the free trial time and avoid wasting days looking for a product. Advertising strategy. With a small budget like $150, I would recommend it jumping straight into Facebook ad. Facebook ad require a large budget and extensive testing. Instead, start with Instagram theme page, advertises your product on this page and build up some capital. Once you have money, you can transition to Facebook ad. With $136 remaining after buying the domain, you should split your budget between two to three Instagram theme page. Avoid putting all your money into one page, as inactive page can waste your money. Look up for page with 50,000 to 5 lakh followers and aim to pay $14 to $18 for 24-hour feed paid post. Be selective with your choice to ensure you are advertising on active and engaging page. Creating the ad. If you do not have video making experiences, consider using existing product video from YouTube. Download and edit this video to create ad. While this can save money, be cautious for potential copyright issue. Another option is to create your own ad if you have video skill, which can be free if you have the equipment. And how now? Now how? So your two main expensive are $14 domain and $136 for Instagram ad. This budget requires significantly effort and time on your part, but it's double once you start receiving orders. You can fulfill them through AliExpress. Ensure you have some extra money to pay for order quickly, as AliExpress shipping time can be long. Final thought. I was planning to launch a store with the beard oil product that promotes growth, but I am currently too busy with other projects. The plan was to create a one product Shopify store and use Instagram theme page for promotion. This strategy can definitely be executed under $150, and I used a similar approach when I started dropshipping.